Hello? No. You don't have webcam, do you? Oh. There's no webcams. See this. Hello? Webcam. Hello? Tim?
That's me.
Hey. For some reason my webcam isn't working, but
Mine should work. Can you see me?
what?
Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you. My computer's saying I don't have a webcam.
That's weird.
Which it's a laptop, so that doesn't make any sense.
Maybe you have to like enable it sometimes. It's a hassle. Are you on campus?
No.
Okay.
Well, I'm
Are
here
you,
right
are you
here
in?
at my house.
Okay. So is it just us?
You're the only one that responded. There's one other girl that was going to join our group named Tawny, but I sent out an email with this link, so I guess if they want to join, they can join. If not, it's on them.
For some reason, I didn't get the notification for the email, so like I was kind of confused. I'm like, well, I hope we're doing it, and then I just saw it because I usually get like my emails to my phone, but it didn't go, so I was a little worried. So did you do the prep work?
Yeah, I did all the prep.
Okay, and then we should be able to do the quiz based off the prep work, right?
Yeah. So I don't know what your schedule is, but I think the plan is we'll meet again tomorrow at 10 o'clock, and then we'll meet Friday
That
at
should
10
be fine.
o'clock.
So 3 times a week?
Well, it'll be twice a week. This week will be 3 times just because we have to finish this Tuesday quiz. But tomorrow when we meet, we'll do Thursday's quiz, and then on Friday when we meet, we'll do next Tuesday's quiz. And so,
Okay. And so our teacher's name is brother Papa? What's his name?
Papa, I think.
Papa, right?
Yeah, Papa.
So he said that like even he wants us to work on the quizzes alone, but we submit them individually, right?
Yeah, so I think when we get in these meetings, we need to talk about part two if anybody has any questions on the prep work. And then after that, we do the group meeting quiz together. And I mean, if we don't finish it, then we don't finish it. Everybody else just can finish it on their own. And then we have to do the lesson 2 homework together.
Got it.
I mean, by yourself. Sorry, by yourself.
What?
I'll do the homework by yourself, but then we'll do the lesson 2 quiz together. So I don't know. Let's get 5 more
So
questions.
I say we start at 10:15 and Yeah, 10:15, and just whoever comes just comes, because I have to be. We're planning on meeting for an hour, right?
Yeah, or less.
Or less would be great, because I have to be gone and get going at 11:15.
Okay, yeah. Do you know anybody else that's in our group?
No, I don't know him personally.
Okay.
Beauty of online biostats.
Yeah, amen. I'll try texting everyone else real quick.
Did they put their numbers on the? You have their numbers?
Yeah, a lot of people put their numbers on there. I think everybody did. Give them a couple minutes to join, and then this quiz should go super fast. And as long as everybody does part 2 before the quiz, or before we get on into this quiz, then it should go super fast.
So, this is lesson 2. So we just need to do the lesson 2 meeting quiz. Do we submit the prep work? Or is the prep work just for us to take the quiz?
It's just for prep to take the quiz. There's an
Because
individual.
there's nothing to submit on this page. Still getting used to Island 3.0 too. It kind of sucks.
Yeah, so bad.
We have to record this meeting.
Yeah, it's recording right now. So then I'll just post board.
Okay. Oh, so basically all we're doing here is taking the quiz.
Yep, and then going over the part 2, but everyone should already have their part 2 done.
It was pretty straightforward. I mean,
Yeah, this one was super easy.
you either understand it or you don't. I guess I should pull that up then.
And I think that that prep work is also going to help with the quiz questions.
Yeah, I bet the quiz questions are going to be pretty similar to the questions at the end of the prep work.
Which, I don't know, they give you the answer key anyway, so I guess we can just talk about if anybody has any questions about part 2, because everyone should have the right answer.
Yeah.
Man, that's frustrating. My camera's not working.
Yeah, in the past you have to go into like what's that called?
The control panel.
Yeah, control panel, and like enable your webcam.
The problem is, for some reason, it's like saying it's not plugged in at all. Like, even the computer doesn't seem to think so.
So it's nothing on Google Hangouts.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
Oh, somebody texted me back and said they're not seeing anything.
no emails?
All right, let me try to send that email again. Just sent that again. Hopefully, once we have this figured out how it's going to work, it'll go a lot faster in the future.
So I can open the meeting quiz now and just have it open the whole time?
I don't think they're timed. Literally timed.
So my computer doesn't crap out.
Well, I'm here.
Oh, hey.
Hi.
Hi. That's Timothy. Okay. Ron has no picture up, right?
My camera's not working.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's,
Ron doesn't want to see that he's still in his pajamas.
Yeah, true that though.
yeah.
I had class and I got back and then I put on my my lazy clothes.
Dude, I had class at 7:45 this morning, and I was so nauseous for some reason the whole time in chemistry lab. I just couldn't function. Probably the worst experience of my life.
What chem class was it?
106.
Ooh, who do you have?
Cooper?
Who?
Sister Cooper. All right. Well, should we start?
1 second. I know that Deanna, at least it looks like.
Oh, she's trying to get in?
Yeah, I'm just trying to resend the link.
Is Deanna
So do we have a group of...
the 253 number?
Do we
What's
have a
that?
group of 4 or 5?
We have 5, but I haven't been getting responses from Julian, which is
Yeah.
someone. But I just resent that link to Deanna's email, so we'll give her a minute.
So we can't get to that spreadsheet anymore. That expired this morning. So
Yeah, I have.
I'm glad you got the information.
They gave it on there.
Okay.
Okay, Deanna's about to get on, and then we can start it because I'm not hearing anything back from Julian.
That's too bad.
Yeah.
Tim, is your number the one that starts with a 678?
No.
That's Julian.
Yeah.
You in the library?
Oh man. She said she's logging in, so hopefully see another second. Oh, there's Julian.
No?
Julian, can you hear us? Julian?
Hi.
Hey.
Can you hear me?
Yep, I'm hearing you now.
Awesome.
Okay, we're just waiting on one more person, and she said she's following the link, and then we can just get this done quick. Oh, Deanna?
Can't hear you, Deanna. Turn on your microphone. Not yet. I can see you talking, but oh, now it says muted.
Maybe try unplugging your headphones and plugging them back in.
There you go.
But unmute yourself, because you're muted right now. Now try talking.
No, we lost you.
Oh man, such a mess to try to get us all in a. I thought that we were going to be able to just do it over email when I signed up for the class,
Yeah.
which wouldn't have been very easy either. But
Hello?
yeah, now we can hear you.
There we
Sweet.
go.
Okay.
Awesome.
Okay, so just so everybody knows, our plan is we're going to meet right now, and we're going to do the quiz that's due tomorrow, quiz 1, and then we're going to meet again. What? Oh, it's due today. Sorry, it's due today. Tomorrow we're going to meet again at 10 o'clock. So 10:15, the same time, and we're going to do the quiz that's due on Thursday. And then Friday we were going to meet again at 10:15 and do the quiz that's due next Tuesday.
Sounds good.
And then from that point forward, we'll meet every Wednesday and every Friday, and we will do the quizzes. Friday, the Tuesday quiz for next week, and Wednesday the quiz on Thursday. Is everybody okay with that?
Works for me.
Good.
Hang on a
All
second.
right, sweet.
Say my kids have late start.
Oh yeah, you guys have late start. Huh?
And that's, you said 10:15, that's Mountain, yeah?
Yeah, Mountain Standard Time, so we're running off.
Okay. I can probably do that. I need to get my children to take the bus that day then.
Okay.
Yeah, me too.
All right, as long as we can all meet then, that'll be great, and we'll just keep that pattern for the rest of the semester. Did anyone have any questions on the part 2 of the homework? Or did we all understand that well enough we can just move on and take the quiz and call it a day?
Yeah, I understand it.
Yeah, I'm
Pretty
good.
straightforward.
Okay. No objections, and let's just, I guess everybody knows where to get the quiz, so just start it up. We can just run through the questions.
Oh, you
Looks
get
like,
you get 2 attempts. It's kind of nice.
yeah.
Is it gonna show us like if we got all the questions right, or
Hopefully. It does on
that would
the
be nice?
It looks like some of the quiz questions are pretty straightforward. Did you participate? Did you show up?
accountability quiz.
15 questions. I completed individual.
So it looks like a lot of these are reading. I don't know if we want to have one person read it. I think that's kind of going to be hard to hear. If we all just want to read through the questions and then we can come up with an answer and just try to agree on it. If we don't agree, then we can talk about it.
Sounds good. All right, do we have an answer?
I'm sorry, for 3,
3.
This is 3, yes.
design the study.
Yeah, design the study sounds good to me.
Okay, design the study.
Yeah.
And that's
I have-
because what?
I can't even find it. My daughter's laughing at me.
I can screen share with you if you want to see just where we're. Since my
That would
camera's
be
not
awesome.
working, just everybody
Okay.
can just look at my screen. But where you go is just after you're in the Math 221B course, click on Content, and then I think it saves it. Click on Content, and then
Well, on the
you're
right on your calendar, it should say Group Lesson 2 Quiz, and you can just click on that.
Yeah, that works too.
Oh,
Your calendar shows up on most screens.
I found it. Thank you, guys. Darn.
No problem.
Okay. So design the study. For number 4, has everybody got one?
I described the data.
Right.
Yeah. Describe the data.
Yeah.
I said collect the data.
Well, because
So on that one, she'd already tallied it, but then she turned the data into a histogram to help illustrate the distribution.
That's
So-
fair. I don't
Yeah, so in the beginning,
they give you
she
two-
has collected.
referring to. So we're moving on to the histogram part.
Yeah, so the histogram would make it describing the data. Does that make
collecting
sense?
the data would be like if they were actually standing there interviewing the students, right? No,
Well,
the TV
tallying the
watchers.
frequencies is collecting the data, so they really have 2 steps in that description.
Right.
That's
Yes, yeah.
when they do that.
Well, it says they have, like the researcher has collected the results of the survey. So they'd already collected it in the past, and then they went, and right now what she's doing is tallying the frequencies and turning it into a histogram. So she's describing the data.
I see your point.
If we get it wrong, I bet we can argue it.
Yeah, well, we can take it again if we.
I will concede to that. Let's see.
Britt, is the population just the people that actually take the survey if you do a survey?
No, that's the sample. The population is everyone that it affects. So, like the city of Mumbai.
Okay, so that would be the citizens of Mumbai.
Yeah.
Right.
Once again, that's tricky. Really, it's the taxpayers of Mumbai, but we'll go with citizens.
Sure.
Ah.
And I'm sure that a lot of people don't pay taxes.
Because it's really a separate thing, let's be honest.
That's true. That's true.
We'll just give them the benefit of the doubt and
Yep.
say that they're all upstanding citizens.
What's the difference between 5 and 6?
The other one, they're asking what the sample
The sample.
Oh, the sample. So the sample's the one they actually got.
Right.
Yeah, the sample's 1,049.
Right.
It helps that they give you multiple choice, I guess,
Yes, it does.
since they really don't really want what they're the most correct answer.
Hmm.
Say like it's quantitative,
I'm thinking the same thing.
especially in
Yeah.
comparison to question 8, where he records responses as yes, no, not sure.
Yeah.
Should
Oh,
be more
yeah.
categorical.
Yep.
Right.
Actually, I don't know. That also might be quantitative because he's measuring how many questions you get right. At least 50% of the material. Still be quantitative.
Yeah, the 7's quantitative. The 8 is not numbers, so it's categorical.
Right.
So we're all on 9 now?
Yeah, so it's quantitative because of the percentage, I think. So,
On number 8?
on 7, sorry. 7.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Let's see.
So then it'd be the opposite for that one because they're yes or no.
Yeah,
Yes, no, we're not sure. Yeah, I agree.
a label.
So question 9 is a control group.
Yeah.
Your teacher also selects a group to give no review to the material over the 6 days. This group is called the control.
Control.
Yeah.
Experimental design. I'm getting B for number 10.
Yeah, administering the vaccine to one group and placebo to another.
Definitely.
Where did I go? Dang it. It kicked me out of my quiz.
Oh,
Let's see, group reading quiz. There we go. Okay, so it knows I'm not in there. Okay. All right. The computer. There we go. Then, here's
So is anyone looking at 11?
Yeah, I looked at 11.
Yeah.
I'm getting like C probably.
Randomly
Yeah.
selected groups.
it's the best way.
That'll work.
Randomly.
So who are the subjects? That'd be the children in 12,
The
right?
children. The children.
That question's like too easy. I feel like it's a trick.
Almost tricky.
The treatments is the vaccine and the placebo.
What are the treatments?
It's the independent variable.
So the vaccine and the
Yeah.
placebo in that case.
Yeah.
Which-
The
Right.
medication, yeah.
Oh wow. Well, the study would have been an experiment
Yeah, 'cause they intervened. They manipulated it.
because they, yeah.
Right.
Oh, this quiz is like so simple that it's freaking me out.
Except it's not in the correct order. It's weird.
So you just have to be careful.
I didn't notice that right at first. Okay.
Inferences, take action.
Oh,
Step 1. There's step 1. Step 2. Okay. Step 3.
Step 1, Daniel, is make inferences. Is that right?
No.
Yes.
Collect.
No. Step 1 is design the study.
Yeah, Daniel design a study.
Oh, that's
I mean, they should have it in a sequential order on the
yeah. I
first
know,
side.
the two different sets makes it so confusing.
I know.
Step 1. And then step 2 is collect.
Collect the data.
Yes.
Step 3 is describe the data.
Describe.
Yeah.
4 is make inferences, and step 5 is take action. Mine says 1, 4, 2, 3, and 5 in
Mine-
order from top to
Mine's
bottom.
in a different order.
Mine
Oh.
is too.
Okay. So it doesn't start with step 2 on top?
Nope. Step 5.
Okay.
Step 1. So step 1 is design the study.
Okay.
Step 2 is collect data.
Okay.
Step 3 is describe the data. Step
Okay.
4 is make inferences. And step 5 is take action.
Okay.
All right.
That's
Gonna
good.
submit this.
What do you see here? Okay, we got
All
100.
right, guys, looks like
Everybody had
we're at
lots of
100.
You're good.
Good job.
Well done.
Seems like everyone did the prep work, so that's really nice.
I
We
wish
gotta
we could
keep
just
that
have
up.
one meeting and do both lessons at the same time, honestly.
Oh,
Yeah,
one
I
meeting.
agree. One meeting would be best.
I've done all the rest of the stuff for the week, so
My only thing is with the mornings, I have class that ends at 10 and my next class starts at 11:30.
Yeah.
Oh,
I have
Oh,
like
okay.
a little block.
I just wish we didn't have to coordinate 2 times because it seems like the setup takes 15 minutes by itself.
Oh, my wife T8 for this class for 3 semesters, and she's saying that the quizzes later on will definitely take the whole hour to
Okay.
do together.
oh.
That's good to know.
That's too bad.
Yeah.
It's okay, we got this.
So
All right,
if we
so
ever need answers, we got them all.
Did we do anything else?
What about me?
Nope, just this. Just remember we're all going to meet at the same 10:15 tomorrow. So I'll try to email out the link again unless there's an easier way to get it to you.
Maybe you can email it and then just send everyone a quick text. Be like, hey, you should have the link now. Let me know if you don't.
Okay, I can do
Just
that.
get that right out of the way, you know?
It works.
Straight.
What about me again?
They said we don't need to submit there's no discussion board we have to submit things on for the first week.
So this video needs to go on a discussion board, but since I did the broadcast, I think it's under me, and so I'll just put everyone's names on it. There's a little chat thing in here. Okay, never mind. It has everybody's names. I'll just write down your names, just make sure I have them spelled right, and then I'll post it to the discussion board right after we're done. And
Okay. You told the others you didn't have to post it this week, but
oh, we don't have to post it.
no, not that was in the discussion or the questions, everybody's questions and answers or whatever, like yesterday.
So it was just for this week or always?
Just for this week. Although there's not a discussion board for this discussion board for week 3 either, so I don't know why.
So for tomorrow's meeting, do we have to have lesson 3 done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need that today, if we didn't already.
Yeah, get that done, and then we'll take the quiz on that tomorrow.
And then
Sounds
we
good.
have lesson 4 done, chapter 4 done for Friday. Yeah.
Friday. Yep. And it should
So we have-
open up Thursday or tomorrow. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
So we have 3 lessons this week?
Yeah.
3 meetings this week, and then 2 meetings from here on out each week.
Oh, on my week 2 tab under the course, it only has lesson 1 and 2. So we just go on to week 3 for lesson 4.
Yeah. So when we meet on Friday, we're gonna do that week week 3, lesson 4.
It opens on Thursday, week 3 does.
Got it.
So we'll have
Okay.
to-
Good.
which isn't ideal, but it's the only way we can make it so we can meet.
All right. Well, we should be good, right?
Yep, make sure you do your homework, I guess, is the only other thing.
Okay.
Yeah. It'll just be everyone does their homework and everything will go smoothly.
Ditto.
All
Sweet.
right.
Good to meet you guys.
You too.
Bye.
All right, you guys take care.
See you tomorrow.